Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So yesterday in the last video, I have uploaded, the first module of the buyer wave method that talks about launch hacking. And in that video, I have talked about the winning offer formula, right? And in this video, we are going to watch module number 2. And here is all the action takes place, finding and vetting your offer to actually go ahead and promote it. Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the module of finding a product. So this is where we are going to focus on one website called Muncheye.com. Before that, I just finished this video that you just watched, right? And now actually, I got 2 more sales. So one person purchased the front end and one upsell, which made $27. So now for this product called Free Post Zone that I showed you before, it's like $123 now. So I worked for like 3 to 4 hours, and for that I made $120, and the launch is still not over. There's still 3 to 4 days. I expect few more sales to come in. So as you can see right now, as I'm recording course, I got 2 sales in here. And if I just go show you, if you want to make sure that it is for that product, so if I just go here and click on more, and today you can see Free Post Zone 2 sales here, right? If I go this week, last 7 days, all right, and you will see Free Post Zone made $123 for that. By the way, this is from Kevin Fahe. He is one of the greatest WarriorPlus vendor, I should say, one of the most trusted WarriorPlus vendor, I should say. So if I go and, well, actually, let's do it later. Okay. So first of all, we come back and we will be using a website called Muncheye.com, as you just saw here, a lot to find these products, to create reviews on and ride on that hype when the product launches to actually make sales just like this. Okay. So we are going to browse through and find a product that we can promote. So if we go here to Muncheye.com, you will see all these launches here. Okay, so this is what Muncheye looks like. These are big launches, JVZoo launches, WarriorPlus launches. This is, I believe, Explodely or something, another marketplace like WarriorPlus. Okay, this is ClickBank, and there should be a Pay Kickstart one as well. So, but we are going to focus on WarriorPlus or JVZoo. All right. Now, big launches doesn't mean that these great things will not do well. I already know a few vendors that will do well, that did well. They have a proven track record. For example, Yogesh has a proven track record of making a lot of sales, but his products is kind of iffy. Like some products are good, some products are very bad. So I'm staying away from that. Right. So if I go below and find someone, so Sean Donahoe, I know his products are good. I actually purchased his one of the crypto product that he showed me, and it's pretty good, right? I made some profits. I'm still doing trading because of that product. Okay, so I can make a review of that is coming on 14th of July. If I go below, Todd Gross is another good vendor that regularly launches softwares that actually does well, and he's a good vendor too. I'm not sure about these people. Trevor Carr, I would say not that great. Okay, we can actually go and take a look at that for just an example. So this is launching on 14th July. So of course, every time you go and find a product, have like a 4 to 5 days window before you decide to promote that product, to actually have time to go through the materials, to go through the software, create a review, create the bonuses, and upload it onto YouTube. So you need time for that, especially when you're new. For me, it's like a few hours of work now, but for you, it will take 3 to 4 days to get all this done in process. And this process works. Okay, so just put your head down. If you work it, you will see results. So this is Trevor Carr, and here this is the page that looks like with all the details of that product called Big Traffic by Trevor Carr. So this is the JV page. So in here, in this section, they will actually provide a page for V affiliates. So we can actually open it up. This is a Google Doc here. So we can open that up. I will open that and see what's up. So there's a table, Big Traffic 2.0 JV document. This is where we can go and get our affiliate link. And then it's launching on 14th July, launch ends on 17th July, a 4-5 day launch, I think. All right, so it says what is big traffic, and we go down. For the review access, we need to ask for access. All right, okay, cool. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to go to the affiliate link Remember that we need to actually check if the vendor passes our criteria. So we will go ahead and check on JVZoo here. So this is JVZoo. Here I will be able to enter my message here and then request for approval. So if they get approved, I get the affiliate link that I can use to promote this offer. Okay, so what I can do is on this seller Trevor Carr, I can click on public profile, and then it will take me to the profile with his reputation. So this is his profile, and here I do not see any ratings. He has like top 5% an affiliate, and as a seller he has like 200 plus sales. That's cool. So I'm not too sure if I should promote this product or not based on the rating. So what I can do is I can actually request for permission, and then I will go back to the JV document and then contact them. So how do I contact him actually? See, they didn't even provide any contacts, but you can actually go to facebook.com here and enter his name and find Trevor Carr here, right? Trevor Carr, yeah. So let me go and Trevor Carr. Yes, people. And if there is Trevor Carr, that's the guy, right? That's the guy. No, that's the guy. So what I can do is, yes, I have like a lot of mutual friends here. So I am a marketer, right? So I can click on add friend. I can actually message him for a review copy. Now I will cover how to ask for review copy in the next video. So I'm not going to do that in this particular video. Okay. We are just going to find some potential offers. So let's just go back and let's just close all these tabs here and find another vendor. Okay. So 14th July, Todd Gross here, Sean Donahoe. Yep. We can do that. Trevor Carr, Zeb, Decam. Let's find something that I recognize, a vendor that I recognize. So 16th July, automated commission system. Awesome. I actually applied for the affiliate link and I got approved too. So I will just open just to show you. So this is a JVZoo launch as well, and he normally launches on WarriorPlus, right? But let's just see a WarriorPlus launch here. Okay. For example, this 10th July one, let's just take for example, today's 10th, right? And if I were to promote any offer, I will not pick a 10th July today offer, right? Unless it's going to be a banger, unless I know it's going to make a lot of money for me. But yeah, I will actually open that up. And just for the sake of an example right here. And here's the details, JV page, that's website, JV website. So if we open that up on the new tab, we will see the JV page right here. Okay, so one video AI. So this is the headline of the JV page itself. Breakthrough, never seen before AI app lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium video models such as Google View, Kling, Hyperluma, Stable, Mochi, etc. from a single ultra powerful dashboard. Wow, what an adjective there. Get lifetime access with 0 monthly fees. Normally by experience, I know, I kind of know that this product is not going to be up to par. Let's just take a look. So if I click on the affiliate link, get my affiliate link here, it opens up on WarriorPlus, right? Perfect example. So this opens up on WarriorPlus. This is Uddha Pramanik. Let me just go and click on the vendor profile. If I want to, get the affiliate link, I can click on request approval. A pop-up box will appear. I will, show what to write in here in the next video. Okay, and then just request offer, I will get the affiliate link. Okay, so if I go here and click on his profile, WarriorPlus profile, we will see the ratings that I mentioned before, right? And here I am on his profile. So Uddhab 88, so he has only one product listed here, and he made 500 sales for this product here. And the rating, do you see the rating? 1, right? Do you see the vendor rating here? 2.46. No matter how much money that this product will make you, do not promote it. This will not bring any value. And look at the amount of upsells. I did say have some upsells to maximize the profits, but this is overkill right here, right? So just imagine this, you are going to purchase this and this, like another upsell page, another upsell page, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. I'm tired just saying another one, and people has to go through the whole step here to actually get to the end of the funnel. I recommend like 2, 3, 4 max upsells. That's it. If it provides value, that's great. Otherwise, this is just overkill. It's just a waste of time. They are just pillaging money from others. It doesn't provide any value at all. Let me show you a good vendor profile. So for example, if I go to the free post zone affiliates, right? Free post zone WarriorPlus offer that itself on WarriorPlus, I will show you Kevin Fahey's profile, right? He has a proven track record of making a lot of money. He has good amount of upsells too, right? This is good. This is fine. These are downsells as well. If you don't understand what a downsells is, that means, for example, if someone said no to AI Plus, then he has a downsell that says if you don't want this, then they have a smaller deal with better features, and that is just for $37. That is fine if the product is actually working, right? So this is how it looks like. This is my affiliate link, and if I go to overview, if I click on Kevin Fahey's profile right here, you will see his products and past ratings. So you can see for yourself, right? Warrior Affiliate, he launched results with Kevin AI. That's the software. That's his main software now. He launched, has 5 ratings here, 50K case study, right? You can just see the star, right? His main profile here, if we take a look at it, that's above 4 on WarriorPlus marketplace is a rarity. And I know a few vendors that actually provides quality offers, and I promote them. A couple of them are J.K. Dowdle, Kevin Fahey himself. One is Benjamin Fletcher. Another is Tim Eccles. So I have all these profiles that I will actually share with you, right? All these affiliate offers that I recommend to promote. If you want to promote later, then I have a list of them. Otherwise, for new launches, you need to go to Muncheye, because this all happens in future and I cannot provide you a list. But still, I will provide you a list of all the good offers. For example, this one, Fresh, is a good example. Affiliate Takeover is an excellent example. Very good product. I learned a lot from this affiliate marketing training right here. And this product right here, right? Free Post Zone, and no one rated this yet. But again, I promoted this, and you can see I made about $100. If I go to dashboard here, you will see that I made $100. Actually, I showed you before, right? Today, $27 so far. So this is how you go to Muncheye, and you just open up products, 1, 2, 3 products, and then just go to their JV page, go to the vendor profile, check their ratings and search. This is very slow. Muncheye is slow this right now, but you understand what you need to do. If you need any help, you can email me anytime. You can message me anytime. Okay, so we are here, and as I said, at least 3.5, at least 3. And the low refund rates and good conversion rates doesn't really apply, I believe, right? I made a mistake there. It is for offers that's already out there. But with this particular strategy, the launches are going to be in future. So you cannot really determine if it has low refund rates or have good conversion rates. But you can get a good idea based on the vendor that is launching that product. So yeah, that's video number 2. And I will see you in the next one about requesting the affiliate link. Hey, I'm back. So you have just watched this finding and vetting your offer. And if you actually want to see getting approved, tools of the trade, the blueprint, creating bonuses that sell, everything, it's all high quality videos here. So if you want to really learn this skill and without any audience, without any email list, if you actually want to generate commissions, then you can go ahead and check the link in the description to check out the buyer wave method. And if it resonates with you, you can get it. All right. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.